Hi there, my name's Erin and I'll be presenting another workshop with Gallery Teachers Masterclass. This workshop is called Read to Write and Write for Your Reader. And in this workshop, I'll be looking at the crossover between the two skills and how sometimes there's a little bit of a disconnect between how we read and how we write. And this is the case not just for students, but sometimes the way that we teach it in the classroom. In the workshop, I'll be looking at ways to make your students more active readers, so more present, more conscious, more autonomous readers. And by doing that, we'll be better served to produce text with the right key ingredients that they need. So if you come to the workshop, you can discover some new techniques, new frameworks that you can use in your classroom, as well as some activities that are super easy and practical as well.